What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're gonna take a look at Dogecoin. Man, this thing is blowing up. I'm gonna show you my investment in Dogecoin. I'm gonna give you my take on Dogecoin as whether I'm holding or I'm taking profits, and exactly my strategy as far as Dogecoin is concerned. So get ready for some free game. We're about to get it. All right, so we're back, man. So right now we're taking a look at Dogecoin today, and as you can see right now, roughly it's about 36 cents per coin. Earlier it was, I think on the low end, it was somewhere around like 23 cents, and on the high end it spiked all the way up to, I believe, somewhere around like 47 cents, per coin, which is really huge. That's a massive, massive, massive gain for one day, but it has been trending, I would say, like over the last week. Crypto on a whole has been really going up because of the anticipation of Coinbase, which is the crypto platform which most people have. It's probably one of the top crypto platforms. Coinbase actually went public on Wednesday, so now it's a publicly traded company, and that just serves to authenticate it. And I think it's going to bring more people to crypto. People who were skeptical about investing in crypto before, now they're looking like, okay, Coinbase is no longer a privately owned company. It's a publicly traded company now. And I think that just adds some level of like clout to the actual platform. And in return, you're having, cryptos like Dogecoin, you have other cryptos like ADA, you have the Mano crypto. A lot of these smaller cryptos are just going to start blowing up because people are looking for affordable entry points. Pretty much anything that's below $1, and that's trending. And Dogecoin has always been trending because you have people like Elon Musk tweeting about it. Added to the fire too this week, the food company that makes Slim Jim, they have also been putting out tweets about Dogecoin as well. And, all of that is just building up momentum. But I think, like I said, the main factor for this spike in the price is because Coinbase recently went public. And Dogecoin is not listed on Coinbase as yet. But when it does, when it does, believe me, it's definitely going to surpass $1. Today we almost got to 50 cents, so it'll probably hit $1 even before then. But even if it does hit $1 before Coinbase adds it, once Coinbase adds it, it's just gonna go through the moon. So I like to put my money where or put my money where my mouth is. So I'll just quickly show you right now my investment. I got into Dogecoin. The first time was in January. I bought $1,000 worth, and I ended up selling it for $4,000 and some change. So I made roughly about $3,000 on that flip. And I bought back in February, $3,000 worth, and I bought in again, almost $1,000, so $999. So pretty much I have like about $4,000 invested, and as you can see, my total return so far in that investment is $15,000, and some change, 15,700, or however you want to look at it. But my total return so far is 15K, almost 16K. And am I gonna take profits at this point? No, I intend to keep it because, like I said, I'm holding until it gets to probably $1, and then I'll probably take some profit. What you could do in an instance like this is something I would suggest. You don't necessarily have to do it, but like for my example, I put up 4K for my investment, and I got it, as you can see, roughly around 7 cents per coin. What you could do is, once you're up like that, you could probably take out your initial investment. So what I could do is I could go ahead now, as you can see, my total value is 19,000. I could take out my $4,000 and have that, and just let the other $15,000 just keep rocking out. You know, let the profit keep working for you, because, you know, like I love to say, at that point, you're pretty much playing with house money. You know, but that's, you know, that's just one way you could keep the investment. I'm not going to take anything out right now because, you know, the way I look at investments is I never put anything up that I don't intend to lose, because there's always the possibility of losing whatever you put up, you know. So for me, I just consider this $4,000 something that I put away, and if I lose it, you know, oh well. I don't want to say oh well, because I ain't rich like that, but you get my point. I'm not putting up my mortgage. I'm not putting up, you know, money that I know I'm gonna need. So I have the flexibility of allowing it to rock out and let it run, and I think it's gonna, you know, it's gonna pay off in the long run. So I'm holding right now. Those of you who are up, the people who bought back in January, oh my goodness, I saw a report today by one of those analysts from Yahoo Finance, and he was like, yo, pretty much if you put $1,000 in back in January, you'd be off roughly like about 50K right now. So, you know, kudos to the people who have been in there for a long time. You know, I'm glad to see that it's actually going up now, and I think it's only going to go up from here, man. It's going to hover around probably 30 cents, like I say, and then after that, it's just going to keep going and going and going, and this is good. This is good for a lot of people. It's good for poor folk. It's good for people who got into this investment because, like I said, it has an affordable entry point, and I'm just really happy, man. So, you know, Dogecoin to the moon, all right? Thank you so much for watching the video, guys. I really do appreciate it. Y'all have a good day. Stay blessed. Peace.